Hello students, welcome to the e-learning Arabic class for class 10. Today we are going to understand the grammar topic al-mafa'il al-khamsa. Mafa'il is the plural of maf'ul. Maf'ul means object. Mafa'il is a plural of maf'ul. Al-khamsa means 5. So it means 5 objects. Dear students, please watch and listen the video carefully. The object or the maf'ul used in the verbal sentences are of 5 kinds. They are al-maf'ul bihi, al-maf'ul mutalaq, al-maf'ul fihi, al-maf'ul lahu, al-maf'ul ma'ahu. Al-maf'ul bihi, the first one, al-maf'ul bihi is the objective proper or direct object. Al-maf'ul mutalaq means the cognate object or the absolute object. Al-maf'ul fihi, the local object, in which the adverbs of time and place are used as a object. The fourth one, al-maf'ul lahu, the causative object. Causative object means the reason. The fifth one, al-maf'ul ma'ahu, the associative object. Dear students, please listen carefully. Now we can see in detail. The first one, al-maf'ul bihi, the direct object. It means the object is a noun in the accusative case appearing after a subject in the active voice in transitive verbs. I repeat, the object is a noun in the accusative case. Accusative case means which ends with fataha, appearing after a subject in the active voice in transitive verbs. For examples, fataha al-waladu al-baba. Fataha al-waladu al-baba. The boy opened the door. Fataha is a verb. Al-waladu is the subject. Al-baba is the object. Al-baba. So ends with fataha. So this is called accusative case. The second example is yaftahu al-waladu al-baba. Yaftahu al-waladu al-baba. This is the present tense sentence of the previous sentence. The boy opens the door. The third sentence, Samiya al-waladu ad-darsa min al-muallim. Samiya al-waladu. Samiya al-waladu means the boy heard ad-darsa, the lesson, min al-muallim, from the teacher. So in this sentence, ad-darsa is the object. The fourth sentence, khalaqallahu sab'a samawatin tibaqan. Allah created the 7 heavens in layers. So Allah is the subject, created, khalaqa is the verb, saba is the object. So in these 4 examples, al-baba, ad-darsa, saba, all are objects. So in the above mentioned sentences, all the underlined words are maf'ul bihi, which will come only in transitive verbs, and all are maf'ul bihi or mansoob. The second one is al-maf'ul al-mutalaq, the cognate object or absolute object. That means al-maf'ul al-mutalaq is a noun derived from the same root of the verb appearing after it in the accusative case and is used to give the intensity to the action of the verb. I repeat, al-maf'ul al-mutalaq is a noun derived from the same root of the verb appearing after it in the accusative case and is used to give intensity to the action of the verb. For example, laiba zaidan laban. Laiba is a verb, played, zaid played, laban means very well. So this object is laban, that derived from the root word of the verb laiba. So Laban comes from the Laiba. So this is called the al-maful mutalaq. Laiba Zaidan Laban. Zaid played very well. Second example, Jalasa Hamid Jalsat al-Qariya. Hamid sat down as learners sit. Jalasa Hamid Jalsat al-Khariya. Hamid sat down as a learners sits. Here Jalsata is a object that comes from the root word is Jalasa. Okay, so this is called al-maful mutalaq. In the above mentioned sentences, all the underlined words are al-maful mutalaq and all are mansub. The third one is al-maful fihi. Al-maful fihi means the local object. It means the adverbs of time and place are used as an object. Al-maful fihi is the time or the place in which the action took place, also known as zarf, adverbs of time and place. So al-maful fihi means is the time or the place in which the action took place. For example, dakhaltu fil madrasa sabahan. Dakhaltu fil madrasa sabahan. Here the sabahan is a time, morning. So it's a adverbs of time. Okay, this is the adjective. This is here object here. Morning I entered in the school. The second example, ana safartu shahran. Ana safartu shahran. I traveled a month. Shahran is a time. So this is also a adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. So these times are used as a object. Ana safartu shahran. In the above mentioned sentences, the underlined words are adverbs of time and all adverbs of time will be mansoob. Now see the another two examples. Takawu al-madrasa amama baiti. My school is situated in front of my house. Takawul madrasati amama. Amama means in front of. Amama means in front of. Okay, this is a place. The second example, Jalastu kharij al bayt. Jalastu I sat. Kharija means outside. Al bayt means outside the house. So in these two examples, amama, kharija are adverbs of place. In the above mentioned sentences, the underlined words are adverbs of place and all adverbs of place will be mansoob. The fourth one, al-maf'ul lahu, means the causative object. It means this object is used as a reason. Al-maf'ul lahu is a noun in accusative case which explains the reason for the occurrence of the action. Al-maf'ul lahu is a noun in accusative case which explains the reason for the occurrence of the action. For examples, khumtu ihtiraman lil ustad. Khumtu means I stood. I stood for what? The reason is ihtiraman, to respect. So this object ihtiraman as a reason. I stood for respect, in order to respect lil ustad, to the teacher. So see the another example. Yusafir at-tullab ila urba talaban lil ilm. Yusafir at-tullab. The students travel ila urba means to Europe. For what reason? Why they travel to Europe? Talaban lil ilm, in search of knowledge. Talaban means in search of. So that is a al-maf'ul lahu, the reason. Reason as an object. Okay. So in the above mentioned sentences, the underlined words Ehtiraman and Talaban words are explain the reason for the action. Thus they are mansub. In the above mentioned sentences, the underlined words explain the reason for the action. Thus they are mansub. The object or the maf'ul used in the verbal sentences are of five kinds. They are al-maf'ul bihi, al-maf'ul mutlaq, al-maf'ul fihi, al-maf'ul lahu, al-maf'ul ma'ahu. Al-maf'ul bihi, the first one, al-maf'ul bihi is the objective proper or direct object. Al-maf'ul mutlaq means the cognate object or the absolute object. Al-maf'ul fihi, the local object in which the adverbs of time and place are used as a object. The fourth one, al-maf'ul lahu, the causative object. Causative object means the reason. The fifth one, al-maf'ul ma'ahu, the associative object. Dear students, thank you for watching the video. Hope you all understood al-mafa'il, al-khamsa. Try to make some simple sentences by using the above topic. For any doubts and clarification, please contact me.